Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to show y'all how to replace the headlights. Today I'm going to show y'all how to replace the headlights on a 2016 Nissan Juke. Originally this vehicle came with the halogen bulbs, but I replaced them with the LEDs. Today I'm going to show y'all how to replace them with LEDs that is canvas ready. The first thing you're going to do is to locate the rubber garnet over the headlight assembly. Go ahead and remove that. Once you have removed the rubber garnet over the headlight assembly, insert your hand into the headlight assembly to locate the headlight bulb. Twist the headlight bulb counterclockwise to release it from the headlight assembly. You're going to notice on the wire harness connector there's going to be a plastic tab. Press down on that tab to disconnect the headlight from the wire harness connector. To make the process a little easier, go ahead and remove the air duct inlet port. This will give you a little bit more access to the headlight assembly. Now once you have done this, go ahead and insert the new LED headlight bulb into the headlight assembly, making sure that you're lining up the 3 tabs on the headlight bulb to the 3 tabs on the headlight assembly. Once you have done this, twist it clockwise to lock it in place. Now take the wire harness connector and connect it to the wire harness connector of your new LED bulb. Just push it in and then give it a pull to see if it connects all the way. Once you have done that, go ahead and place the excess wire into the headlight assembly and cover it back up with the rubber garnet that you removed previously. And then replace your air filter port back into the original location. Now for the passenger side, it's a little bit more difficult because of the windshield wiper reservoir and the AC line, but the process is still the same. Remove the rubber garnet from the headlight assembly. Locate the headlight bulb, twist it counterclockwise to release it from the headlight assembly. Press down on the tab of the wire harness connector to remove the headlight. Reinsert a new LED headlight that is canvas ready into the headlight assembly, lining up the 3 tabs on your headlight to the 3 tabs of your headlight assembly. Twist it clockwise to lock it in place and reconnect the wires harness connectors. Once you have done that, go ahead and place the excess wires into the headlight assembly. Cover the headlight assembly with the rubber garnet, and you're done with the passenger side vehicle. Once you have done this process, go ahead and check it out. Cut your headlights on and then look at your new LED headlight. As you can tell, even in the daylight, they're brighter than the original halogen bulbs.